this video, we will look at what the commutative property is. Look at the following picture. How would you calculate the total number of cars? We could add the groups of 4 together, which will give us 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So, there are a total of 20 cars in the picture. Can you think of any other way we can calculate the total amount of cars? We could add the groups of 5 together, which will give us 5, 10, 15, and 20. So, we can see there are 2 different possibilities to calculate the total number of cars in the picture. We can either add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which will give us 20. Or we could add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which also gives us 20. We can see that we can add these numbers in any order and we will arrive at the same answer. Now let's see if this rule is true for multiplication. Can you calculate how many red cars are in the following picture? Let's start by counting the amount of cars in the row, which gives us 2, and then the column, which gives us 4. The product of 4 and 2 will tell us how many red cars are in the picture. So we can say 4 times 2 equals 8, or we could say 2 times 4 equals 8. As we can see, the order in which we multiply the numbers do not affect our answer. Can we calculate how many green cars are in the picture? Let's start by counting the number of cars in the row, which gives us 3, and then the total number of cars in the column, which gives us 4. The product of 3 and 4 will tell us how many green cars are in the picture. So we can say 3 times 4 equals 12, or we could say 4 times 3 equals 12. We can see that the order in which we multiply the numbers do not affect our answer. We call this the commutative property of addition and multiplication. If we look at 3 plus 5, which gives us 8, the cars can commute to a different location in the question. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And it will still give us the same answer. If we look at multiplication, 6 times 2 equals 12. And if our cars commute to a different location in the question, 2 times 6 still equals 12. We can clearly see that the order in which these 2 numbers appear in the question do not affect the answer. This means addition and multiplication are commutative. Note that this is not true for division and subtraction. Have a look at the next video to practice this property.